What's up guys, at Freddy's here. What's going on? Today we're going to be testing out the Owner's Pride Canada Tire Shine on my Dodge Challenger SRT. Alright everyone, so this Owner's Pride product states that it shines and treats not only tires but also the wheels and rejuvenates plastic pieces as well. So let's put it to the test. For today, we'll be testing it out on the rims and tires, the floor mats, and some plastic panels. We'll only do a few so that we can compare the treated pieces with the non-treated pieces over a period of time. The most important factor for me is how long it lasts between applications. If it lasts over a week, it's a win in my books. Most of the time with other products, they just wash away with the rain. So step one is to wash the car and dry it, making sure any water or grime does not dilute the product when we apply it to the surface. Next, step two, we will spray the surface liberally and let it soak in for a few minutes for a gloss finish. Another option is to spray it on a microfiber towel and apply it on the surface for a matte finish. Finally, step three, now with a microfiber towel, let's wipe off the excess product. Right from the get-go, I was really impressed with how rejuvenated my floor mats looked and the plastic pieces. The black came out, it was very glossy, and it looked good. I'm curious to see how clean the rims stay after the application to the actual rims and how long the gloss looks on the tires. Usually, again, as I stated before, after it rains, it looks faded. One thing I would like to note is that after applying it to the wheels and most of the plastic pieces on the Challenger, it did take a lot of fluid. But hey, if it lasts long between applications, I feel that it's worth it. Now, I've had an issue with the plastic pieces being faded most of the time. Multiple applications with other products usually lasts after a rainfall or maybe a day or two, and it's back to faded state. Now, the marker of this test is to see how long the plastic pieces stay rejuvenated. Owner's Pride Canada Tire Shine is a water-based tire shine that has durable protection and an amazing shine. Tire Shine is safe on all exterior plastics, rubbers, and engine bays. Tire Shine also blocks harmful UV rays to protect your surfaces from oxidation. Catch you guys later. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Hit the ding-a-ling for notifications, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!